Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Shazam app. You will go to settings, you will click here as you see, then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Shazam app and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.